Al-Amin Education Society was started in the year 1966. The purpose of starting this society was to educate the educationally backward section of the community, and also that section of the community which due to poverty was not attending to education. Because I thought through education I can improve the character of the human being, and through education I can teach them how to earn daily bread legally and also build up the self-confidence. With that idea, in 1966, I registered a society by name Al-Amin Education Society. We started first in Arts and Science Commerce College, then a number of institutions, right from LKG to postgraduate and research. And now we have all over the country 200 institutions, about 2 lakh students studying in various branches of education.
The degree college was started 50 years before with just 32 students.
1968, the first mother institution, that is Al-Amin Arts, Science and Commerce College, came into existence.
And now this degree has got more than 1,000 students.
We have BA, BSc, BCom, MA, MCom, all the courses.
We have about 650 students of commerce alone in BCom, and for PG also we have full strength, and the allotted strength for it is about 60. We get full strength for PG as well.
The science category we have physical sciences as well as life science. Under life sciences we have chemistry, zoology, botany, microbiology department. So we have combinations like CBZ, meaning chemistry, botany, zoology, and then chemistry, microbiology and zoology combinations.
PCM, physics, chemistry, mathematics, physics, mathematics and computer science. So these are all the courses that we have in our institution for science graduates.
And these are wonderful combinations because there's basic sciences. Today we have a lot of demand for basic sciences.
For arts, we have HES, History, Economics, Sociology. We have JPE, Journalism, Political Science and optional English courses. We have PG courses. In this we have MA Economics, MA English, we have MCom, and we have postgraduate studies in e-commerce and MA Urdu we have.
This MA English course comprises 4 semesters, have soft core papers and open electives too.
Apart from this, at UG level we are providing various add-on courses. Human resource management is one of the add-on courses. We have Tally course.
Computer training courses we are giving, communication skill, the classes we are conducting.
Then apart from this, we offer courses in skill development, personality development, etc. So our student, when he completes the course, he becomes a total citizen of the country.
We have world-class infrastructure facilities. We have good classrooms.
Classrooms are very good furnished, and even we have projector.
And we have good library, and in library we have internet facilities to the students.
And we have the best museum, well-maintained museum, and we have real fossils of those dinosaurs. And I don't think any college has got real fossils of those animals which lived millions of years ago.
And we are also helping the students in securing educational loans.
Then we give scholarships. More than 2 crores the society distributes. Every student gets scholarship.
So that they can pay the fees of the college also. In that way also we are helping the students.
The fee structure is also very nominal.
We take the students on field trips, we take the students for industrial visits. Sociology department has taken the students to old age house, and science departments have taken the students for field work. Botany department has taken for collection of various type of plants, and also zoology department has taken the students for field trips.
We have research departments in commerce. In a year or two, we will have a research center even in English, economic.
And right from degree level, we'll start preparing the students, keeping that in mind. And the results have been excellent results. PG, always it is 10% results. And UG, some of the courses, it is 100%. Some, it is more than 80%.
We take the students without any restrictions in marks. We take all the students.
Other colleges, they have a cut-off percentage like 70% or 80% or 90% like that. In our college, we admit students even with 35% and we make them pass in distinction.
Our vision is also that if a boy or girl, they are taking 40%, 35%, we provide them the education, and if they complete the degree, they can stand on their leg and help their family.
Apart from academics, if you take sports, for the past 33 years, we are the university champions.
From the past 32 years, continuously, we are athletic champion at Bangalore University.
Since from 1982, we have a very good team like football, volleyball and basketball and wrestling. After that, we started athletic. Since from that day onwards, still today we are winning the championship. 32 years continuous champions in Bangalore city. It is a record in Indian history, I can say in the world history.
Apart from this, we have got NCC, NSSS, so there also we have got a good strength, more than 100 students they are there.
In NCC they learn discipline, they learn how to give respect to the teacher and how to speak in the society.
We can take up a lot of work in the NSS. We will conduct the afforestation programs like tree plantation, sapling plantation and then tree shifting plantation.
Teacher and student relation, it will be like, okay sir, yes sir. But in our class, it's nothing like that.
And all these teachers, they never tend to be there as professors, very dignified. They always come down at our level. They talk with like, sister and brothers, one like family.
Like doing a very holistic job, not only catering to the academic needs of the students, but also to the overall development of the students.
Our campus is one of the best campuses in Bangalore city. There is no ragging, nothing, no drugs, no cigarettes, no pan, gutkhas, nothing happens here. It's a very well secured place, and of all the things, we get fresh air because of adjoining Lal Bagh here.
Al-Amin Degree College has got students from different parts of the country, irrespective of caste and creed. And even you see, in the appointment of the faculties also will purely go on merit, not on caste system. That is not at all there. Simple motto is to serve the humanity purely in education, and also we end up with education only. That means education, education, education. The Al-Amin Degree College is accredited by NAAC with A grade. That is the unique speciality.
These institutions are open to all communities, all castes, people speaking different languages, coming from different regions, and even to foreign students. About 100 foreign students are studying in our institutions.
Welcome to Al-Amin.
Welcome to Al-Amin.
Welcome to Al-Amin.
Welcome to Al-Amin.
Welcome to Al-Amin. Welcome to Al-Amin.
Welcome to Al-Amin.
Welcome to Al-Amin Arts, Science and Commerce College.
Welcome to Al-Amin Educational Society Bangalore and Al-Amin Arts, Science and Commerce Degree College.
Welcome to Al-Amin.